here we are, go video. Here's the first actual, I don't know, modification we're gonna try and do here. So this eventually had some water damage come in, and the rubber seal has been replaced. Looks like an okay job. The top of the lid is it's not like perfect, but it's really good. It's in good shape. So we're gonna kind of just muck this out, get rid of the carpet, and use this liner, this Bedliner. It's like a rubberized black paint. So I'll do some video as we go through. We're gonna muck it out, rough it up, get rid of any rust, make sure this is gonna adhere, clean it out, and do any masking that we have to, and then maybe clean some of this lid out a little bit, a little better. Obviously I haven't gotten to the trunk that much, so let's go, let's do it. So here's some of the material that was in here. It's like a rubber. So the material was more of the bigger stuff is near these welds. So I'll try to remember where these welds are and kind of load it up a little heavy. Maybe do a couple coats there or something. So all right, here we go, we're working it. Here's the tool we're using, just a regular impact DeWalt with this kind of brush on it, steel brush. Yeah, it's going basic all right. This is probably the only flaw. Little pinhole, not too bad. And I mean, it's looking pretty good down there. We will get that too, though. We'll get all that off. But let's get some action. Gonna use a leaf blower to get on any residual rust. Let's see how it goes. Let's just say this vacuum has issues. So I'll have to go get a different vacuum, the one that's in the house. And I don't know, I think I'm gonna put this one at the end of the road. All right, I got it prepped out, nothing too fancy. I'm gonna pull that over and tuck it in, protect some of that. And I mean, I used the old carpet, kind of utilized whatever I have laying around. And yeah, we're gonna get some, see how we do. All right, so yeah, you're definitely gonna need a mask of some sort of way. I won't use one, but you should probably use one. And yeah, you're definitely gonna get some air overspray. So I would be like a slight windy day to do this outside. Get some of that, see that, get some of that vapor out of there, you know. But it's going all right. That's a quick dab of a coat there. So I'll go through this whole can. I'll put another one down too right after. Let's get it. All right, here you go. Here's the afterthought. Still got my globbed areas a little getting dry there. But there you go. Over here. Clubbed areas in there. Might put some like roofing material in there. I don't know. Some kind of something material. Water stop, water something. Or I don't know. Maybe research what they actually put right here. So obviously it was a big chunk there. Probably held the friction of the frame. But basic quick little job there. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. Just make it a little more presentable. Protect it. Mainly wanted to just protect it. So there you go. 2 cans, 20 bucks, a little bit of time. Protected. First project. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe. You want to see more Toronado efforts? Let's get the Tory. Get the hood open. More Toronado efforts. There we go. And come on back. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day. Bing bong.